Hi, I'm Ryan Holger with TEC Tube. We're doing a series for you on thermostat wiring. This first topic here is package rooftop unit. Specifically, we're going to work on this gas-fired unit here in the lab. Let's get started. All right, the unit we're working on right now is a single-stage heat, single-stage cooling unit. We'll talk in a little bit about what to do if you have multiple stages, but the general premise will be the same. So there are certain terminal designations on the board here that do certain jobs. So the thermostat is going to send a signal. Specifically, it's going to close a relay to complete electrical circuit, send that signal back up to this board, and when that happens, the board is going to take action. So each of these wires coming from our thermostat downstairs has a specific responsibility and a job. Generally speaking, they follow a standardized color coding system, although because of the availability of wires that someone has on a project, it may not always be this color system. So you're essentially matching whatever it says here, such as G, to what it says downstairs on the thermostat, also labeled G. So let's go through some of these here. So as you can see, the very first one we have on the board there is a common. So for our purposes here, for common, I'm going to use black. So common is black in this case. So we'll wire that up there. The next one on here is a hum terminal for dehumidification. We're not using that in this application. That's not a standard thing, so we don't need that. The next one is G. G is going to be green. That's why it's called G. And G is going to be for our fan. G is always fan. I should also probably say in this case, the C is going to be common. We'll keep it consistent on the board there. The next one on here is W2, which we're not using in this case. W2 would be second stage of heat. Below that is W1. We are going to use W1. In our case for W1, we're going to use it with the white wire. I can't really do that on the board here with a white whiteboard, so we'll just do it in black. That'll be white, and that'll be my heat. Next one below that is Y2. That's second stage cooling. We don't have that in this application. Then we have Y1, that is going to be first stage of cooling. I don't have the ability to use Y for yellows on the whiteboard here, so we'll use a Y in blue. It'll be yellow, and that'll be for cooling. And then the last one down there is R, which as you probably would guess is red. And that's the hot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that's my standard thermostat wiring that I'm going to have on pretty much any single stage heating and cooling unit. If you have a heat pump, that's going to be a different beast. But if it's gas-fired heat or electric heat and it's one stage, this is how it's going to wire up. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. We got our stuff all wired up here now, our 5 designated wires. If this was a 2-stage heating or a 2-stage cooling unit, then I would need to wire Y2 for cooling, second stage, and W2. Usually what most people will do is they'll use the blue wire for the second stage of cooling. So yellow would stay stage 1, stage 2 would be blue typically, but not always. It's still labeled as Y. So it's kind of weird. The color designations and letters came from the original coloring of the wire, but then as new things got invented over the decades, they kind of kept the same color. So Y1 is typically yellow, stage 1. Y2 is also yellow, stage 2, but we'll use the blue wire because you don't have two of the same. So the blue wire would go there, and then in this case I would use brown for second stage of heat, and if I had a heat pump I would use this orange wire for the reversing valve. In this case we don't need those in that application, so we would tuck those away, tape them off. Let's go downstairs and wire the thermostat up now. Now we're down here at the thermostat. We got this thing wired up. You'll notice that the coloring order is not the same as it was on the roof. That's normal. It doesn't matter what order they're in. And it doesn't even matter if things go on the right or the left, or 2 of them are on the right and 3 are on the left, or if this wiring strip is horizontal. We don't care where it's at. We're just matching up the colors to the designations. So upstairs we had W for heat on white. So now we got to take the white wire and go to W down here. On this stat, it happens to be labeled W1/OB. In our application, we only need the W, so we're going to pick W. OB is a different application. You'd program the stat differently. Yellow is going to Y1, green to G, red to R, and then we have black going to common. We got to match those 5 up. You'll notice this stat has plenty of other wires on here that we're not using, other terminal spots. Those are for different applications. That's fairly common that you're not using everything of the specific model of stat you've chosen. We finished wiring things downstairs at the thermostat. We're all set up here at the rooftop unit. As long as the colors match between them, W goes to W, Y goes to Y, etc., everything should work beautifully. If for some reason it didn't, you would need to use an electrical meter to troubleshoot your wiring to see what you might have made an error on, and we'll cover that in a separate video. Thanks for joining us.